Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we were challenged again. So this challenge is by Cam and the Fam, the dynamic duo. This is their challenge, but we were tagged by Mark Munchies.
Munchies, yes, Mark.
So we've done a chicken nugget challenge before, honey, but it was
with a two-time spicy.
Two-time spicy. So the rules of this is you have to eat 30 nuggets in 10 minutes. You can use whatever sauce you want, but you cannot drink anything at all. So without further ado, you want to dig in?
We're going to dig in and
start the timer.
Start the timer. Damn, we're dry already and we'll start.
You know, you're probably that. So we have 10 minutes on the clock right here. And I'm going to press start. And then, you know, periodically, I will show you guys the timer and stuff like that. You ready?
First lady, you got a lot of nuggets over there, girl.
It's the same amount. They better have given me the same amount.
Let's get it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. And we are starting.
Now.
I just want to show you that it's counting down. Hopefully you can see that.
I was going to say, where's your drink? Oh yeah, I got Chick-fil-A sauce. What a combo.
Now here's the thing. It's not hard for me to eat and not drink. But sometimes I do have to take like a sip of something to like push the food down, because you know, I don't know how to explain it.
You do need that. Your nuggets are good. Your nuggets on fleek. You got to press them in the McDonald'S to make sure.
Yeah. When you do a challenge with chicken nuggets, from wherever you're getting it from, tell them you want it fresh. Wait the extra 10 minutes. Trust me.
It's worth it.
So we have 30 here and 30 there, so we don't have to actually count them out or anything like that.
3 boxes of 20. Where you dipping my chicken nugget, my Chick-fil-A? Where are they? Where them button?
Go.
Why I was about to take away your food, yeah. We're doing challenge, I'm about to take her food.
Exactly. You see that, guys? He's so used to eating my food. I mean, you can help me if you want.
Oh, I'm done mine.
There's no rules that say you can't.
No, I'm gonna go sweet and sour here. Oh yeah, there's no rules, I can't have it, huh? You can't drink, that's crazy.
We had 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
You got this first, lady.
They don't come here to see me win. They come here to see you, because unless me can't have food fast.
They come see me win. I can't do a challenge. I'm not a fast eater. I ain't a fast eater.
You gonna sit here and tell them lies? You can't lie to them. They know you.
They know I eat. But I eat fast.
Hey, I really think you have more than me, you know? I mean, I think I have more than you.
Don't worry.
I put 30-30.
It's 30-30.
I think mine just look longer.
A young guy there like you. Yeah, enough.
I'm just eating my food. I'm not worrying about it.
You always eat first thing.
Yep.
Take it 3 bites.
I might take 4.
Your daughter praying for the leftovers.
Wow. I need something to drink.
Yeah, you do need some drink. I feel you gotta take your time and chew.
My mouth is tired.
Tired already, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
6 minutes.
Damn, time move fast. When you watching other people do the time go slow as hell.
Always. I be saying to myself.
What kind of clock they got?
Yep.
For real, what kind of clock y'all be having? Y'all clock is on different time. I watch it, y'all clock go slow.
Slow.
You doing good first, are you?
I think so.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
You at least gotta eat 20, cause you don't eat 20 by yourself.
I know. In 10 minutes, though? 5.5 minutes left.
Stop trying to eat. 10 hours later.
I don't know why that damn Mark Munchies tagged me. Mark Munchies, you know something can't do challenge. What's the other? Translation, Mark. You know I don't do well in challenges, and you come challenge me. Don't challenge me no more. Don't you challenge me no more. In Medea's voice.
I'm here for the food, Mark. Or tired, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
You need something to drink. It's rough.
Something to drink.
Alright, pull it through though.
Let me cut it sweet and sour is sweet.
You'll do your part. Time up.
4 minutes.
Okay. Not bad. You got it first, lady. I come help you if I'm done.
I think you're doing good.
Once I get dry now.
The one time when I want them to give me small nuggets like this, they come give me jumbo nuggets.
Somebody else gonna enjoy them.
Wow. I'm 8-12. 3 minutes. And 30 seconds. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So you don't think I'm lying. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Or it was 30 seconds. Now it's 18.
Sauce. I'm trying to get a headache, yo. You got this, Rich. Come on, Rich.
You got this, honey.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my love. Don't cheer me on it because it won't work.
Come on, next time challenge me some Jamaican food.
You hear me? Don't cheer me on because it won't work.
I'm gonna cheer you on. 2 minutes and change?
2 minutes, 40 seconds. You got this, honey.
Don't say that, I'm more tired now.
You just put that whole thing in your mouth.
It don't work like that, girl. It
I
doesn't
know.
work like that. I'm telling you, it doesn't work like that.
I know. I done been gave up. I don't know if y'all noticed it. Mom got me messed up. 2 minutes,
Okay.
20 seconds. You got it.
It's not that easy, girl.
Quiet. You chat too much, man.
Can't help with your favorite today. So challenge.
You got this. You still have 2 minutes.
Don't tell me no more time.
Wow.
I'm hungry to a different level.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. I'm done. They could kiss my. I'm just playing.
You done?
Yeah. I ain't watching myself.
How much time for a day?
A minute 45. I'm thirsty. I feel like something is missing. It's too. The sauce is sweet. That's why.
Wait.
No, I know you got.
Oh,
other
that's
things.
why.
Yeah, don't be like lots of other challenges. Shoot. I'm all sweating with the challenge rough.
Rough
Challenge rough, man. A minute left. Time. 1:02. Time. Wow, you ate all of them?
I was hungry, girl. I told you that. I was hungry today.
Wow, you did a good job, honey.
Thank you.
That's recording, right?
Yeah.
It better because they messed up. Give me.
I'm waiting on you now. Go ahead. At least do how much I left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I ate 15.
Do 5 more.
No. You mind?
Do 5 more for the team.
No, nobody ain't bullying me to eat. I'm full.
Come on, family, cheer on. Do it. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5.
No. I'm full. I'm done. I can drink.
This was a good one.
This was good. Let me tell you something. Don't challenge me no more, girl. I mean, guy.
So you done, huh? Okay.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That drink felt so good. It's like it pushed the food down. All right, guys. Listen. Richie won the challenge, so we both won.
We both won. Because we are what? A team. When First Lady win, I win. When I win, First Lady win. And if we don't win, that's it.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? It was a good one. I was hungry today on a different level. And I have 2 more sandwich back there too. I was hungry. I ain't gonna lie to y'all today.
No, so Richie can't yam, so this was nothing for him. Me?
I was hungry.
I was hungry, but I needed some, the sauce was sweet. Ooh, excuse me, guys.
Appreciate y'all. All of y'all. Don't forget, if you're new, you gotta like, subscribe, and share.
Please.
Please. We appreciate y'all again. Simple. Go ahead, girl.
Oh, Lord.
You be hating on some different levels, son. Go.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.